Welcome to RM Technologies. This presentation is on Excursion to a Commercial Farm. For effective teaching of agricultural science practical to students in secondary schools, it is required that the students should 1. Visit a commercial farm and a subsistence farm. Then make a list of all the machinery, implements, equipment and tools found there. 2. Visit a farm workshop. Then list the tools used in the workshop and state the functions of each. 3. Go to a nearby farm and identify one disease of a legume plant or of a beverage plant. Name the causal organism of each disease. 4. Go to a nearby farm. Identify different types of weeds found on the farm. Make a weed album. Your students deserve real-time experience in practical agriculture and organic farming. To book your students for farm excursion to a commercial farm, contact 09096505940 or send email to anna.ek360@mail.com. Thanks for your time.